Just got finished making breakfast. Trying to wake Lam up. It's not going too well. He's like super tired. But actually I hear him coming down now. Libby, if you're watching this,
oh yeah,
this is Daddy building your crib.
Yeah, it's me, Pops, building your crib. Alright.
That you're probably not ever going to use because you're going to be so spoiled and you're going to be in our bed.
I don't know. You know, Mom likes to spend money.
She deserves it.
She likes to spend money on you.
Every baby needs a
So
crib.
just remember, if ever you need anything in life, financially, go to your mom, okay? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, today I decided that I'm gonna work on building the baby crib and the baby drawer. It's been long overdue. We got this like probably like 3 weeks ago. I don't know if we go back to the vlog. She might have vlogged it, but yeah, yeah, we put this thing together. Hopefully my baby, you know, could sleep in it and not like break. Like how do we test it if it's good or not? Well, the camera can't respond to me, so.
Okay.
Open the thing. What is in there?
For the mattress?
Yeah.
So guys, there she is.
I did it.
It looks so good in here.
I freaking did it.
The colors look amazing, like I knew they would.
I freaking did it.
Just opening up the mattress now. Did you just hear my stomach?
No, it was growling.
It was.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's bad.
Oh, it comes like the freaking mattresses now.
Yeah. This is gonna be a thumbnail. Get in the thumbnail. There's black in the crib.
I'm stepping on something.
Pointy?
Yeah.
Guys, the crib is built. The mattress is on the ground. I just read a few reviews on Amazon saying to basically let it sit out for about 48 hours. And I don't plan on having a baby in the next 48 hours. So I have no problem letting that happen. I mean, letting it sit out because I want it to expand properly. So far I'm in love with it. It looks great. And we're gonna go find Lam and see what we're doing. I think we're gonna order some food. What's new, am I right? I have to vlog on my phone because my laptop is back there on the table. I'm waiting for the footage to import, but it's taking so long because there was 60 videos to import. So, oh my god, I don't have any shoes down here. Yeah, all of them are. I'll just wear these. So yeah, we're heading out now to go pick up the food because we ordered it about 20 minutes ago. Should be ready. And I'm hungry, so. Where's it? Just tell me where to go.
Huh?
Hi, Ken. Just tell me where to go.
It's alright.
We're still getting packages, guys. I should have vlogged. Baby shower was 2 days ago, and we're getting packages every day still. It's insane. Yeah. We just picked up the food. Cheese fries, stromboli, chicken parm sandwich. And this is not uploading. I mean, importing for some reason. It's taking forever. So, this is going to be a while. Ready to eat?
I'm ready.
Guys, I just went through the craziest struggle. What happened? I just went through the craziest struggle trying to edit the vlog. First of all, it took about, not even kidding, 3 hours for the videos to import because it was so much footage. So it was like 60 videos. It took a long time. After everything imported and I edited, it was about a little bit after midnight, which is kind of annoying because I wanted to get it up before midnight because that's why I started importing footage at 8 o'clock. So when I finally finished editing the video, when I was satisfied, I tried to, you know, export the vlog into a file so that I could upload it to YouTube. That took about another half an hour, which was really annoying. And then when I finished finally uploading the video, I realized I forgot some of the footage that I filmed on my phone, so I had to go back and edit it. But it's okay, it turned out better because then I was able to put in the photos at the end of the video with some music because those are pretty important since I didn't get that much footage from like the baby shower and stuff. So yeah, anyway, I am heating up the stromboli now for Lam, the other half, because I didn't finish it. It was too much. And then after that, I'm probably just going to get in bed. Tomorrow, my goal is to organize the baby stuff. At least the clothes, and put it in size order. That way I can know like how much she has of each size clothes. I don't think I need to buy anything. I'm pretty positive I don't. I'm happy we finally built the crib. That was something we've been wanting to get done for a while. Hopefully tomorrow we build the dresser. If not, it's okay. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't that eventful. It's not going to be that eventful from here on out because we're just preparing and waiting for baby to come. But other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Oh, I'm actually happy that I'm finally back on track with vlogs. Anyway, okay, bye.